Space junk is a growing problem. This presentation will cover types of debris, consequences, current efforts, and private industry solutions. What is space junk? Space junk is basically junk left in orbit, defunct satellites, rocket stages, and fragments from collisions and explosions. Now, this is a man-made problem because humans are responsible for most of the space debris through space exploration. The consequences are that collision risks to spacecraft, disruption of communication systems, environmental hazard, and human casualties. Now, the current efforts to address space junk would be satellite remediation. That is, they develop spacecraft to capture space debris. Capture technologies like nets and harpoons and tethers for debris collection are also being tried out. For tracking and monitoring, mapping and observation to monitor space debris is also being done. Future solutions, we have advanced materials where they are researching new materials that can safely deorbit at the end of their life cycle. And there are also deorbiting solar sails, which actually bring slow-moving debris back to Earth's atmosphere with large sails. And also laser-based debris removal, wherein you use lasers to modify a piece of debris and change its orbit. There are many private industry solutions also. There are innovative startups who are using technologies to CubeSats to capture debris. And also, private companies may become an important part of future debris cleanup efforts with goals to improve safety. So the call to action is that safe space debris is a serious issue with far-reaching consequences. International cooperation is necessary to manage the problem, and a commitment to preventing and reducing space debris is everyone's responsibility. Thank you. Please do subscribe to this channel so that you will get more information like this.